మోడలింగ్ ప్రొఫెషన్ నుంచి యాక్టింగ్‌లోకి వచ్చిన యాక్ట్రెస్ అంత్ర ఈరోజు హైదరాబాద్‌లో ఉంది. సో లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ హర్. హాయ్ అంత్ర.
Hi Taruna, thanks for having me.
Yeah. Antra, your role in 100 crores. Firstly, 100 crores. It looks so fascinating, no? Everybody wants to earn good money. So what do you have to say?
Actually, it's 100 crores, but we are manifesting 100 crores on box office now. So let's hope for that. Fingers are crossed. But it was like, if you want to know about the experience I had for this movie, it was surreal. It was very exciting experience working with a huge team with great actor like Chetan Kumar, and it was a like I can't express in words.
Yeah. You said you're from modeling, so I'm sure you don't have any camera fear. So acting is really different. So did you take any workshops? How did you learn acting?
So since the age of 13, I'm doing theatre. So I'm into this background since childhood. So I used to do commercial dramas and all. So and in that I'm a professional dancer since since age of 5 I used to dance. So I don't have that stage fear. Camera, I have faced camera a lot and modeling, but modeling camera is different and set cameras are different. But then too, I was having combinations of both, so it was comfortable. And most of all, if you don't have anything, I feel you should be confident. If you have confidence, you can do anything. You can face any problem and any camera in this world, I feel.
So in acting, did you face any challenges and you overcame it very nicely?
Uh, I guess it's a like I have never faced any challenges in acting, maybe because it was always on my a list. But maybe in the Telugu movies, first time I was like quite scared, like I'm going to talk about new language, speak about new language. It should be, I should be comfortable, and what I'm talking and doing, it should not be slang or something. But as I'm a Sanskrit student and I'm Maharashtrian, so I found this Telugu language quite comfortable, and I started understanding it in like within 4 5 days. So this maybe in Tollywood it was challenging for me, but I overcame it.
So coming to your family, they were okay for you to become a heroine?
So basically, I am a black sheep of my family. My family comes from a very different background. My sister is advocate, my mom is professor, dad is into engineering. So my mom had a wish to make me a raw agent, and she wanted to sacrifice one of her daughter to Indian Army. So I'm an ex-athlete as well. So I was playing sports on a national level. So I used to play Kho from inter school and all. So now, but I was very keen about acting, and there used to be where I used to train for a Kho. There used to be this drama group, so I was always interested in that. So once I got a chance for that in drama, so till now they are really not happy with my career because they are like they feel it's uncertain, not unpredictable career. You never know what happens. But let's see. After this movie, I can prove myself.
As a child, who has been your inspiration when you were looking at the movies and you want to become an actress? Seeing that lady, you wanted to become an actress.
As a child, I'm like, I see. First of all, I am. As a child, I was very interested into going into this boogie woogie and dance shows. As a child, I was in that craze of being professional dancer. But as soon as I got into this and modeling career and all, then I started following Angelina Jolie. So I am a huge fan of her. And if you tell me that how career you want in your life, I will say like her. Like she's my goddess.
You have a very interesting personality because at one place you have fought with your family and you came into this, and other side, if we see, you are doing a Telugu movie where you don't know the language but still you're doing it. How do you see yourself as a actress in future?
In future, obviously, I want to become a mega star. It's not that just only a mega star with a looks, But I feel I should do something where I can earn a Padma Shri award at least, because I have a good acting skills, which is my merit, which is my forte, and I want to showcase that. It's just not, I don't want acting, it's my passion. I don't want it for a money or else fame. I want it like I have proved myself. This is my talent. I want to make it sure and have a remark on that. She is the good actor. I want to be in a list of great legendary actors. I don't want to become that only shosha actress and get vanish off.
Great. And in the Telugu industry, whom do you look up to and feel that you need to work with them?
In actress, I personally love Anushka Shetty, and I'm a huge fan of Arundhati movie Vedanam and all. So she because I look for acting, and obviously that is my study. And in actors, I really want to work with Rishabh Shetty now. I can say about him because after Kantara, like he was, and Yash, but obviously they are from different Kannada industry. But in Telugu, obviously now Allu Arjun, Prabhas, and I can say about Dulkar. Yeah, he's my favorite, like too much favorite, crush now. I'm crushing on him since Zoya Factor.
Okay. And when we talk about hair and makeup, do you do it yourself or you have a stylist?
So in Hyderabad, it's like tough to get stylish on time because I don't locate here. In Mumbai, I have many people, but even in Hyderabad, but if I'm blessed that I have a good hair, so even if I woke up, yeah, I will come like this. It's good in a state. Right now, also it's like that only. So I don't need much makeup and a team behind me. I'm like, okay, I'm cool to go everywhere.
Why do we watch 100 crores?
Because I feel it's based on real incidents. So maybe I feel audience can connect to the movie after, like, because after demonetization, this topic was not much in news or something. It just happened and people were suffering. No one was talking about that. How much how much people were talking about COVID and all. People were not concerned about this middle class, poor class people, were how they were suffering. Obviously every actors were suffering, every high class people was also suffering from demonetization. In that time period, I was shooting a movie in Uttarakhand. My shoot schedule was of 15 days. It extended to 5 months because of demonetization. The things was not working. The set, my producer got into loss. Then that movie didn't release. So even actors faced the issue. So I guess we should come up with this. And obviously this topic was supposed to come in before 2020, but again COVID happened. So we are releasing it late.
So it was wonderful talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And thank you for having me, Taruna. And you are a very good host.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో చూసారు కదా, దట్ వాస్ అంత్ర ఏమంటుందంటే అనుష్క శెట్టి అంటే తనకు చాలా ఇష్టం, అనుష్కతో వర్క్ చేస్తే కూడా బాగుంటుంది అంటుంది. కెమెరా పర్సన్ అలీతో తరుణ, ఎన్టీవీ హైదరాబాద్.